Hey Vector, can I ask you a question? What is PlayStation VR?
The PlayStation VR, known by the codename Project Morpheus during development, is a virtual reality headset developed by Sony Interactive Entertainment, which was released in October 2016.
Not bad, Vector. Not bad. Alright, so today we're gonna unbox PlayStation VR Firewall 0 Hour. This bundle comes with a game and the aim controller. Pretty good deal for a bundle. I paid just under $100 for it, so that's like the game and the gun included. I think the game itself is $50, and I'm pretty sure the gun is probably more than 50, give or take. So the bundle is the way to go for your value. Anyway, we're gonna get right into it here. So we've got a little headset here, just kind of set up. I tried it last night for the first time. It's pretty good. I'm not going to knock it in any way because it is what it is. The PlayStation 4 Pro is nowhere compared to a high-end PC, but the VR for what it offers is pretty good. Hey Vector, go explore. So we're going to crack this open up here. I'm going to move this just out of the way a bit. He's not going to like that. Hey Vector, find your cube. Alright, so before I just get into this, bring this a little closer here. So you can see that. Some info on the back here, nothing too crazy. Pretty straightforward stuff here. They just explain the game and the controller. A little bit of artwork on the side, little info there. So let's crack this open. My trusty butter knife. Hey Vector. Hey Vector. Yeah, he's doing his own thing. Okay, so we've got pretty standard cardboard box. That is if I can get it out. So that's empty now. Let me move this right here. Hey Vector, go home. Get that out of the way there, some packaging on the counter. Hey Vector, go home. Alright, we're gonna let this guy go home here. I'm gonna open this box. So, another box inside the box. What else is new? I feel like this might be upside down. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna actually put this down there. So we've got kind of a packaging made out of the cardboard here. So I'm gonna start here. For me, this is this left panel. I figured that would be the game. It's not a download code or anything, it's the actual disc, so that's a plus. You can hear it in there. What's this? Let me close that again. Lift. There we go. So basically just lifted that top part. So we've got another manual. What else is new? And here we go. The piece we all came for. What can you do, right? Sometimes shit happens. Alright. So we're going to open this. There's a lip here, an opening. There we go. Look at that thing. Look at that. Dude. So you've got an analog stick here, another analog stick here on the back. You've got the trigger. We've got L1 and L2 right here. Or wait, that's, yeah, L1, L2. We've got the share button here on the left. Options on the right. D-pad right in there. This is a nice piece of equipment right here. R1, same button here, R1. PlayStation home button is right here. I'm not too sure what this button is. Oh, it looks like that's the sync button when I hit it. Then you have your triangle, circle, square, all here, and your X. Looks like we've got some kind of connector piece for right here. USB charges on the bottom. So far, I gotta say, I'm digging that. It is kind of, like, I would like to have my hand like that, not like this, but I'm sure I'll get used to that. Just the fact that you can articulate your movements with the sticks on the back like that, that's pretty sick. So, this is the PSVR aim controller. Definitely going to say I'm a fan already. I haven't used anything like this on the PC VR, so I'm pretty excited to check that out on the PlayStation. Pretty standard manual for the gun. So let's open this up and see what we got in here real quick. I need to get like a... I don't have a box knife somewhere I could just use. Alright. Open this up. Packaging for that. So we've got just the disc, no other bonuses or anything, not even inside cover art, which it is what it is. I don't know the hype behind this game. There was good reviews for the game and the gun, like the bundle itself, good reviews. I haven't seen any reviews of anyone just playing this game with the move controls. I'm not too sure if you can do that. It just says you need the camera and the headset. So I'm assuming you could use your DualShock or you could use your move controls. But with the bundle, if you want to grab this piece of equipment, some extra peripherals for your console, your VR space, I would recommend this. But I am going to give it a whirl. I'm going to be doing a video where I do gameplay within the game using this gun. So until then, I won't have a link yet, but I will put it up once that part is done. Thanks for watching this Unbox video. This has been Unbox Studios. Thanks for watching.